Okay, the plantain first. Okay. Put your potato.
Happy Sunday, guys. So today I just came to do an outro because I'm editing it so that I to go up this evening, since it's just a daily vlog. I don't go to church. I've just been chill. This evening I'm going to take a walk, but that one will not be inside this one. So how are you all doing? I don't want to come here and ramble too much. I just want to, thank you guys so much for watching my videos, both my daily tutorial, my vlogs. I see you. So at this point I'll say do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share my videos, and also you can give me tips on how to run this. That reminds me, the next vlog is going to be tailored with AI. I just tried it out. I said let me just follow that style and see whether my vlogging videos are going to do well. So stick around, don't go anywhere. Next week we are going to see how it goes and how it looks, and you're going to give the verdict, you understand? So that's just that update on my nails. Can you see it? All these ones are gone, then this one is remaining 3. But why is it that when your nails wants to go off, it's the middle finger that is to go off? Why is it now? It's now looking like somebody is doing DJ. Please don't ask me the meaning of DJ. I beg, you can go and Google it, or you can check it up on Twitter or Facebook. You get? So that's just that. Anyways, I've talked too much. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. I do not take your support for granted. Thank you so much.